Are you hungry for dinner? Do you want to make a shepherd's pie, but you don't have an oven? Let's see if we can make one in this toaster oven, shall we? We're going to need a couple ingredients though. So let's get them ready, shall we? Alright, so what we're going to need is 1.5 pounds of ground beef. We're going to need half an onion chopped, 12 ounces of frozen mixed vegetables, a 1/4 cup of tomato paste, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1.5 cups beef broth. I have vegetable broth here. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a package of 24 ounces of refrigerated mashed potatoes. I have this Bob Evans potatoes here that we're going to use. Alright, so we got our pan over medium-high heat, warmed up. We're going to throw in our hamburger meat. It says 1.5 pounds. I'm going to use 2 pounds here. Well, I guess I'm going to use 1.5 pounds. So I'm going to put 1.5 pounds in here. And onion. This is going to cook for 6 to 8 minutes, mixing it up. After your ground beef and onions are done cooking, and it's no longer pink, this is where you will drain it. Once you drain the grease, this is where we will turn the heat down to medium and add in our frozen mixed veggies. When we pour our mixed veggies in, this is where we will be adding our salt, our pepper, and our Italian seasoning. Don't forget to add in your tomato paste as well. Once all this is mixed together, we will set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes. And medium heat. While your veggies are cooking in the pot, this is where we will add our 1.5 cups of beef broth and our flour to make a thickening agent. Now we will add our mixture here and set the timer for 2 to 3 minutes so that it can thicken up. I didn't have any flour, so mine's not going to thicken a lot. Look at all these flavors in here. So fragrant. Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, mixed the world go round. Once your potatoes are done according to the package directions, and the meat concoction is done, this is where we will put it in a sprayed pan right here. Even this out some. A little bit extra tomato there. And then, once you think that's all done, we're not done yet. Now we're going to top it with potatoes. Make a nice layer here. I was worried that this pan would not be big enough. But it seems to be. Might be a little, not enough potatoes in here for it. Now we will take this and throw it in our toaster oven. We will set the timer for 20 to 25 minutes, and then we will check on it after. After 20 to 25 minutes, this is what it will look like after 20 minutes. Let's see how this turned out, shall we? I can definitely see you making this again. I hope you enjoyed it. You could leave a like and a comment and subscribe. It does help a lot. I hope you have a great night and wonderful eating.